Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tina. I'm the Creative Gemini. Today, I am going to attempt to make a bowl out of pebbles. I actually purchased these pebbles from Dollarama or Dollar Tree. About $1.75 a bag, and I actually got 4 or 5 bags because I wanted to be able to pick and choose colors, shapes, sizes, things like that. Pebbles, super glue, and this is excellent super glue. I'll put the link in the description below. I got this from Amazon. It has this great pointed tip that is really going to probably be a game changer with regards to this, because the first time that I attempted this bowl, I actually used, I believe it was crystal clear Gorilla Glue gel, and that was a huge mess, and that ruined the project. So this is actually my second attempt with pebbles, glue, a plastic bag, a bowl of your choice, and a lot of patience. Let's get to it. So to begin the process, you simply line your bowl with the plastic bag and start choosing and placing your rocks. It's as simple as that. Now, I will add that I had a very poor choice when it came to my bowl. This bowl was too straight up and down, and it was a nightmare trying to get the pebbles to stay in place and caused me a lot of grief. So if you're going to attempt this, I will warn you to choose a bowl that has a gradual slope in order to save your sanity. So I'm going to stay silent now for the duration of the project for a little ASMR therapy for you. Hopefully you don't hate the choice of music. And I'll see you at the finish line. Okay, so here it is, the finished product. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? I'm so happy how this turned out. I really am. The colors are just amazing. Some of the stones they actually look like smoky quartz. Some of them are almost, see-through. They're so beautiful. I'm so glad that I chose the mineral oil as well. I really think that it enhances this really nicely. Let me know what you think. There are a few ways that you can display this or use it. Now, I did buy some cork. I'm looking at the bottom of this and I'm thinking you probably have to either cover the whole bottom with cork, which is something I probably don't want to do, or you could probably use those little dot corks if you're going to be setting it on your furniture, if you have an expensive table or something and you're worried about the finish. Actually, what I found, and I think I found it at the Salvation Army, was I had purchased a little bowl, a little white bowl, and it came with this little stand. And I thought, wow, that's actually a really great idea to help display my bowl. I really like that idea. And, I actually thought about maybe lining it with moss and putting some succulents or something of that nature in there, and I might still do that. But for now, I think I'm just going to leave it like this and admire it just like this. It is so beautiful, and I'm so happy with it. So, let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think that it turned out nice? Do you think you could have done it better? Do you think that you're actually going to try it? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, have a great day, everyone.